What's going on, guys and gals? Today we have probably one of the easiest videos we're putting out. We're taking a brisket and we're smoking it all night long on the Masterbuilt 1050. And on top of all that, we're not going to talk during it. We're just going to show you the process. So basically what we did was put the smoker on 230 degrees. We put it on at 6 o'clock p.m. and right around 6 o'clock a.m. it was ready to pull off and wrap. And once we wrapped it, we put it on 250 degrees and finished it out till it was done. So today is going to be a silent video, and we're not going to flap jaws at all. So you get natural sounds of the seasoning hitting the meat and the meat hitting the grill and all that good stuff. So let me know if you like it. And of course, if you like our videos, please like and subscribe. It definitely helps us out. So let's quit talking and of course flapping jaws, and let's get to the video. Ha ha!